Culture is one of those things I didn't really appreciate when I was younger. I just want to get a job and make some money. And as I progressed in my career, it becomes way more important to me, the culture of the company. What are our values? Like, are we just here to make money, or are we here actually to change people's lives for the better? One thing that I really like about Sabio is the culture. Sabio is very good about continuing the relationship after they finish the cohort. I think that's one of the things that really sets Sabio apart in terms of the culture and how we help our fellows succeed long after they've passed through the program. When you look at a good technology product, do you have any idea how many people it took to build it or how old that person was? No, it definitely democratizes the power in the world. I think that you get to write something that could be a great tool for millions of people to go use, and it's just something you did in your spare time. You just have to produce something that is useful and creative and that people identify with. Yeah, I totally agree with wanting to use technology to improve the world. I don't want to be building things that are just, making money for some company I don't care about. People that see problems or things they want to tackle in their communities, and they go write a program and suddenly they built a tool to solve the problem. The reach of a good program, even a very small program, is actually very powerful. In a computer program, if you want something to happen, you have to write the code to do it. And then if you put two things out of order, it's not going to work. So you really start to see how things are connected. It's the kind of thing where you go out in the real world and you just start noticing processes. You go to a restaurant and wow, they took my order, but they didn't write it down, and then they lost it. And then it gets a little frustrating when you see people out there running operations and businesses, and it's that guy's not a programmer. You can tell they're just not thinking logically. They're not thinking in terms of cause and effect. It definitely helps you see the world in a way that is almost more manageable, because once you figure out all the patterns of cause and effect happening out there, it becomes kind of easy to navigate.